Hello, students. Thus, there is one query asked by one of you about this question, that is how to display this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, class, in this, what we need to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That is 1 to 9 I have to display. But there is no loop, neither of A, neither of B is going from 1 to 9. So to solve this problem, we use another variable, that's t equals to 1, because it starts from 1. Now if you analyze this in this for every A, B is going for 3 times. What does it mean? That overall frequency of the loop is 9, that is 3 into 3. Here it is 3 into 3. Inside loop will run for 3 times for every value of A. So overall it is going for 9 times. But the output that we need, neither of A, neither of B. A means for the first time it will display 1, 1 and 1. For second time 2, 2 and 2. And third time 3, 3 and 3. For every value of B. For every execution of B. But neither we want 1, 2, 3. Neither we want 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3. That is value of B. Neither value of A, neither value of B. So we have taken another variable, that is D is equals to 1. But if we talk about the loops, it will remain the same and we will run our program like this. Now class, see, in starting I have given D is equals to 1. Then when this loop will execute, that is for A is equals to 1, B will run from 1 to 3, means 3 times this D will get executed. But we do not want the D value of D as 1 only, we want increment every time. So we will give another statement attached to it, that is D is equals to D plus 1. So for first time, this value of A is 1 and value of B is 1, then the output will be 1. Then value of B will be 2, output will be 2 because there will be increment. Value of B will be 3, then 3. Now when this will execute, it will get an increment this value of 3, and next time 4 will get display. Next time 5 will get display. Next time 6 will get display. Again there is an increment of 1. Every time there is an increment of 1. So for the next time the value of D will be 7. So 7 will get display, then 8, then 9. See again, value of A is 1, value of B is 1 for the first time, and print statement that we have given is D. So value of D is 1 because in starting we have given D equals to 1. Now there will be, and after the print statement we have given D is equals to D plus 1. So for the next time value of D will be 2, when value of B will be 2. Value of B will be 3, then it will be 3. For the next time, that is A is equals to 2 and B is equals to 1, value of D will get printed 4, then 5, then 6 and so on. So this is the way how we will do. Now there was the question in which we have to display 9, 8, 1, 7, then then 6, sorry, 9, 8, 7, then 6, 5, 4, then 3, 2 and 1. In this, what you are going to do, you will consider first d is equals to 9. Then again value of a, b and the output, that is our d. Value of a will be 1, value of b will be 1, value of d will be 9. When value of a is 1, value of b is 2, d will be 8, because we will give after the print statement d is equals to d minus 1. Then next time it will be 7. Now next time loop will start with a is equals to 2 and b is equals to 1. Then b is equals to 2. Then b is equals to 3. For that 6, 5 and 4 will get display. Similarly, when value of b will be, a will be 3, b will run from 1, 2 and 3, then it will be 3, 2 and 1. So class, overall, if we say overall in the same program, here we have to give 9 and here we have to give minus. Then the output will be, in same question the output will be 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1 and 1. So that's all class. If any other query is there, you can ask me. I will give the solution of that. That's all class.